This is Daniel.
And this is Keenan, and today we're going to teach you how to solve the normal 3x3 standard cube.
And I've been cubing for 3 years, and I started off with the beginner method like you guys, but I've moved on to better methods that have allowed me to solve the cube faster. Today we're going to be showing you how to go the cube from this
To this.
Okay, before we get started learning the 3x3 Rubik's Cube, we're going to want to learn some notation. Notation is just a letter standing for a turn that you do, and that's how you can memorize algorithms. You memorize the turns, and that'll help you solve the cube. So, for example, F would be the front side. So F would be front side once clockwise. Okay? R would be for right, like that, clockwise once. U would be for up once clockwise. L would be for left, so left once clockwise. D would be for down, D once clockwise. And B would be for back, so B once clockwise. Okay, now we can throw in some other things like prime. So F prime would be the front side backwards once, and etc. And 2 after the letter would be twice, so F2 would be F. Doesn't matter which way, twice. You can do it either way and it will still end up in the same position. Okay, so now that we know that, let's try an algorithm. So let's try F prime D R2 L prime B U prime. So let's do it. F front counterclockwise once, down clockwise once, right twice in any direction, left counterclockwise once, back clockwise once, up counterclockwise once.
Okay, so right now I'm going to be showing you how to do the cross. So it helps if you start with white, but you can start with any color. I'm going to be starting with white, so you can do whatever. Okay, so the cross consists of 4 edges of one color connecting with the centerpiece. So white for all of these white edges connecting to this white centerpiece. Okay, so, and also not only that, you actually have to have these other, so the white green piece also has to be connected with the green center. So you can't have it like the white and red pieces connecting to the green. You have to have it like this. This cross thing is intuitive, but I'll give you some tips. So, okay, we're going to start by looking at the first edge. So the first edge is this white blue. And so what you're going to do is, so it's right there and it just needs to be switched. So I'm going to do an F move to put it there, and then just bring it up with an R, and then a U to put it in the spot. Okay, so the next edge is right here. So it's right there, it needs to go there. You could just go like this, but it knocks out this piece. So what you're gonna do is do a U prime to hide this edge. So it allows you to bring it up with an R, and then just do a U to put it back in the spot, and you'll find that it puts it right in there. Okay, so the next one is here, and it goes there. So you can just do a U to bring it into the slot it needs to go. Do it up with bring it up with an R, and then do a U prime. So the next edge is right here. All you need to do is bring it over like that to match it up, and then do an F2. This, where it's in the front. So what you do is you do an F prime, a U prime, so it opens up the slot, bring it up with a U or R, and then do a U to put it back.
Okay, so the next step of solving the Rubik's Cube is to get the first layer. So, after we're done with the cross, we're going to want to get the whole layer done. So, put the cross on the bottom, and then we're going to try to find a white corner. Okay, so where's a white corner? Okay, so here we go, right? White corner on the top layer. It has orange and blue, so we're going to try to find the orange and blue centerpieces. Nope. Yep. So orange and blue. So put it above where it needs to go. So it needs to go down here. And then do this algorithm until it gets down here. So R, U, R prime, U prime. Whoa, it's already down there. Okay, so now where's the next one? Here, white. And that is red and blue. So find the red and blue. Nope. Nope. Red and blue. Yep. So now we're gonna do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And it's in. Okay, so you might think this is solved, but you might want to run into a problem. The layer is not solved. So see, that doesn't match. So if that happens, we're just gonna put another corner into its place. Okay, that's one of them that's not solved. So just do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. Until you see it at the top. Okay, so now put it above where it needs to go. Here. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And now it's in. And now this one's all out because we fleshed it out because this one went in, and that means that had to go out. So now we're gonna do this over where it needs to go. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And it's in. So now we've made the first layer. Okay, so you might run across the problem when you're solving the first layer. There's no white corners at the top, and the layer is not solved. That probably means one of the corners is in the right spot, it just needs to be rotated. So what would you do? You would just hold it like you normally would have and pretend it's on the top and do the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U. 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 And now the corner is incorrectly.
Okay, so next step is to get the middle layer, which consists of this white face and this middle face. Okay, so you have the white face, and you're going to put it on the bottom. So the yellow face is going to be on the top, and you're going to start by looking for the edges. So this is the yellow, blue. So you can't have an edge with yellow, so that's wrong. Green, yellow, nope. There we go. Red, blue. You're going to move this red, because it has red, so you're going to match it up with red. On the right side is green, on the left side is blue. So blue, you're going to put it on the left side. You could just do an F, but it messes up the white face. So what you're going to do is a simple 3-move algorithm. You're going to, well actually 4, but you're going to do a U prime to put it away on the green side, and then you're going to do L prime, U, L. Make this F2 up here. Then what you're going to do is take this F2 up here and insert it with a U, F, U prime, F prime. Okay, that's one edge. Let's go to the next edge. The next edge is this red-green edge. So we're going to move it to the red face, and it needs to go on the right. So you're going to do this algorithm. You're going to do a U, R, U prime, R prime. You get another F2 up here. So you're going to take this and do a U prime, F prime, U, F. What happens if you have a yellow, orange, so you have yellow on every single face, and your piece is here? Well, that's pretty simple. All you have to do is replace it with a yellow-orange edge and so this edge is on the right, so we're going to do the right algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, and then insert it with a U, F prime, U prime, F. So now this is on the top layer. You can match it up. Since it's the R move, we're going to do U, R, U prime, R prime, and then so it's another F2, so we can do U prime, F prime, U, F, and that is the middle layer.
The next step in solving the cube is to get the top cross, not the bottom one, the top one. And if you've been following along correctly, you should have the top cross being yellow. Okay, so how do we get there? By doing this algorithm. F, R, U. R prime, U prime, F prime. Okay, so now we're a little closer. We have 2 up. So hold them like both away from you and do it again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. And now we have a line, so don't hold it like this, or hold it like facing like so you can stick your finger on it. Do it again. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Now, not paying attention to the corners, we have the top cross.
The next step is to get the yellow face completely. Okay, so we have the yellow cross. Now we're going to get the yellow side complete. So all you need to know is one simple algorithm, and let me teach it to you. So you can hold this cross anyway. It doesn't matter where these corners are oriented. Just hold the cross and go R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So there's many different cases after this. This one is the fish because, well, looks kind of like a fish. You want the fish swimming down this way, so you don't want the fish swimming that direction, or that direction, or that direction. You want it swimming this direction. Then what you're gonna do is, again, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So mine got solved, yours might not be solved yet. So you might have something like this. Just double R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So we come to this fish again. So we're going to do a U in the corner, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So let's do this again. R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So there's all other ones like this. These are the intersecting squares. This piece will always be facing you. Doesn't matter how you hold it. Go R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So we have another cross case. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. So we have the fish case and it's facing us, so we know all I have to do is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime.
So we have one more step after this, but the next step is to get headlights, is what I call them, all the way around. So after you get the top layer and the first two layers, you just have this section to do, and you have to get headlights. See, on this one, you don't have headlights. Like, the colors don't match. So what you're gonna wanna do is make headlights. And how you would do that is, doesn't matter how you hold it if you don't have headlights, but if you do, just stick them in the back and do this algorithm. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. And now we should have headlights somewhere. Let's find them. Right here. 2 headlights. So match them up with this color and put them in the back, like I said earlier. And do it again. R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. And now we should have headlights all the way around. Look at that.
Okay, next we're going to be showing you how to solve the entire cube. Hooray! Okay, so you'll have this case where you'll have one side solved. You might have another case, but I'll talk about that later. You'll have one face solved, and then 3 edges in this pattern. This is called the U-perm, but you don't need to know that to be able to solve it. So look, and you're going to hold it with the solved face in the back, and then you're going to go R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And your cube will be solved. Okay, the next case is where you have no side solved and you have this. All you have to do is R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And you get the face solved. Hold it with the back. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And boom, your cube is solved.
So this is what speed solving looks like.
I hope you get a sub 20.
Okay. go.
Yes! Yo, we did it at the same time! Let's go.